Determine the common ratio of a geometric series that has these partial sums. So they gave you S3, the sum of the first three terms is negative 49 over 8. The sum of the first four terms is negative 105 over 16. And the sum of the first five terms is negative 217 over 32. So from this information, we could find T4, because T4, if you have S3 and S4, then T4 will be just S4 minus S3. And so this is going to be negative 105 over 16 minus negative 49 over 8, which will give me negative 105 over 16. Negative and negative here makes it plus, and I gotta multiply this by 2 and this by 2 to make a common denominator there. So that's 16. 49 times 2, 98. And therefore, negative 105 plus 98 is negative 7 over 16. Now let's find T5. And so T5 also would be S5 minus S4, which equals negative 217 over 32 minus negative 105 over 16. We got to do a common denominator, multiplying this by 2 and multiplying this by 2. And therefore, I'm going to get negative 217 plus 210 all over 32. And that would give me negative 7 over 32. Now, if I know T4 and T5, to find the common ratio in a geometric sequence, you take two consecutive terms and you divide the later by the earlier, or the T5 by the T4, which is negative 7 over 32 divided by negative 7 over 16, which makes this negative 7 over 32 times, because this is your division, that's your main fraction, so you change that to multiplication, and flip the divisor, and you get 16 over negative 7. The negative 7s will cancel, 16 goes into itself once, it goes into 32 twice, and the common ratio will be 1/2. Thank you for watching. See you next time.